Robinhood is going to let you buy and sell crypto soon. CNN shuts down Casey Neistat's Beme, and Sothebys acquires Thread Genius. It's Thursday, January 25th, and this is Crunch Report. What up, TechCrunch land? How's it going? Hopefully, not too shabby. Here's the news. No commission stock trading app Robinhood will let you buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum without any added transaction fees starting in February, compared to Coinbase's 1.5 to 4% fees in the US. Starting from today, Robinhood will let all users track the price, news, and set up alerts on those and 14 other top crypto coins, including Litecoin and Ripple. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum will be available for trading when that rolls out to waves of users starting in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, Montana, and New Hampshire in February. Though, more will be added. Check Josh's article to understand the mechanics of how it'll all work. It's pretty cool. According to a confirmed report from BuzzFeed and Casey Neistat himself, CNN is closing down YouTube star Casey Neistat's video business Beme, which it bought for a reported $25 million back in 2016. In addition, the YouTuber and his co-founder Matt Hackett are also leaving the company. Neistat spoke to BuzzFeed about his inability to figure out a strategy for Beme News, which CNN had hoped would become a central part of its digital news business. The channel he created under CNN's brand Beme News has over 269,000 YouTube subscribers, but has only put out a few dozen videos to date. CNN said it will work to find some different roles for some of the 22-person Beme team, but others would be let go with severance. A couple projects from Beme, including panels, are said to be living on somewhere within CNN. Sad. I saw when Beme launched on YouTube. I remember that. Sothebys has bought Thread Genius, the company that built a set of algorithms that can both instantly identify objects and then recommend images of similar objects to the viewer. Sothebys said it is not disclosing the value of the deal, but said it was non-material to the company. In a statement, Sothebys' head of strategy and corporate development said, "We have united all of our data-related activities under one umbrella, which will accelerate innovation and provide benefits to both our internal team and our clients." That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging. Crunch Reports every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. Let's find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right, peace out. See you tomorrow.